All right, here we go with problem number 5 or question 5. Question 5 is very similar like we did in question number 4. Okay, check the previous video that I made for question 4. We're going to do the same idea in question 5. So we're going to apply the laws of exponent in question number 5. You have 3.2 to the 9th power times, remember that center dot means times, 3.2 to the negative 18th power. If you look carefully, I hope you notice that these two numbers or these two powers have the same base. The base is 3.2. And I'm multiplying powers with the same base. And when you multiply powers with the same base, you're going to apply this rule. And basically that rule says every time you multiply powers with the same base, you keep the base. Who's my base? 3.2. And you're going to take the exponents of each power and you're going to add them. So 9, using the calculator, you can use the calculator, put it in. 9 plus negative 18, that will be negative 9. Okay? However, you cannot leave your answer with a negative exponent. That's what I'm going to apply the negative exponent rule. And remember, the negative exponent rule basically is saying we're going to do the reciprocal of the base. So my base is 3.2, but I'm going to put like an invisible 1 there. There is an invisible 1 there, okay? And every time you see a negative exponent, you're basically flipping the base. So if I flip 3.2 over 1, it becomes 1 over 3.2. And then the exponent, give it back to the base, to the 3.2, but the exponent now is positive, okay? Now, don't simplify more this problem because they only want you to generate an equivalent expression. Because if you do, and I'm going to show you this again in the calculator, if I write 1 over 3.2 to the 9th power, you get really a weird answer because this answer is written in scientific notation, something we're going to learn later in the module. This answer is so small that the number, the decimal, doesn't fit on the screen. That's why the calculator write it in scientific notation. But in this problem, you just need to write this answer, 1 over 3.2 to the 9th power, or your answer is going to look something similar. Okay, I hope this helps.